children, we have to learn about our last class in our human body, 4th class. Our last lesson is that skeletal system and how it is make organs, organ to organ system, cell to tissues, tissue to organ to organ system to organs, how to we make it. And we have to learn about our skeletal system. And now we have to learn about our muscular system. It is made up of our muscles. It is made up of our muscles. The muscles is the soft tissue. Yes, in that skeletal system we have to touch here, means that is hard part is bones. After that it is under that we have to some soft tissues are there, that is called muscular. That is called muscles. That is called muscular system. There are different types of our muscles. In our body have different types of muscles. And muscles help us to move different parts of our body. Muscles help us to move different parts of our body. And muscular system have main major properties. There are 5 types. Major properties, they have to 5 types of muscles movements. There are 3 movements of muscles. Of this works together to make up the muscular system. And that main purpose are that movement of our body. Examples, that main purpose is it is bones and muscles work together. It is main is moving to one place to another place, running and playing, jumping and working, various types of our body movements. Next, muscular system. After we have to learn about our digestive system. Do you know digestive system? That means how can whatever food we can take in by that, or different types of breakfast, different types of food items we have to take in daily our life. That is goes to into that our stomach. It is digestive. The wastage food of our body goes outside, of motion going outside. That the body needs to energy. How can we get energy? By the taking of food, we have to get energy from the food. That food energy giving us strength to do all the works. However, this food cannot be used by the body that in the from it eaten. Yes, no. Then we have to how to the food have to digested in that our stomach. We have to learn about now. That is the process of breakdown food to the mouth. Simpler substance to go to can be easily observed of our body is called are known as digestion. That organs that involved in that process of called digestive system. That the digestive systems are mainly mouth, food, fight, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are that main organs of our digestive system. See, we have to see the board. We have to look at that our body needs energy to function properly. Yes, our body functions properly means we want to get energy by the food. Energy provided by the food we eat. Energy provided for the food we eat. We can start our mouth. We take food from our mouth to food pipe to digestive system. The process of breakdown of food into the simpler substance can be easily observed by our body, known as digestion. The organs that are involved the process of digestion from the digestive system. Yes or no? See, look at here. That is that windpipe, food pipe, liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, and that last one anus. So how it is goes to from mouth. Mouth that the digestion begins to that from our mouth. Then when we started the chewing the food, and from that food moves to the food pipe. Food moves to the food pipe through the moves down to the moves through the food pipe, that is throws into that food pipe to food goes into that stomach where it is mixed. Food goes into the stomach where it is mixed thoroughly. We have to, then after that stomach will go into stomach, the intestines are there, two intestines, that is one is the small and the large. That useful part of our food are absorbed by the intestines, and that unwanted food, wastage of food, undigested food goes to outside from the anus. These are the importance of digestive system. See, look at one more time. The food digestion is the process of simpler going to break down into the food substance can be easily absorbed by our body, known as digestion. The process of that involved the process of digestion from the digestive system. The digestive system goes to the starting begins to the mouth, and it is thrown into food pipe, and by throwing the food pipe going to stomach. After that, the stomach mixed with the various liquid amlas and going to intestines. The observed or used food goes to small intestine and change into the energy. That waste undigested food goes to stored in that large intestine through the outside, going outside from the anus. These are the process of digestion daily our body doing in our digestive system. And we have to learn about our skeleton system and muscular system and this digestive system. In the next class we have to learn about respiratory system and circulatory system, and you have to must draw this digestive system, and I write underline that. Hard words you have to write into two words, like you hard the spellings you need that read to write two times in your book. And most of the children, you buy the books. Every time I am saying to you, buy the books, compulsory. And that use, this is that first lesson. Now going to completion next session. You must read thoroughly, and I will send the worksheet through the WhatsApp group. Understand, children? And mainly all the children who are not writing properly, you must write properly, clearly. Buy the books. Okay na, children?